Dreaming of those iconic, broad anime shoulders? You're just 5 minutes away from starting your transformation. In this video, we'll go through a quick shoulder workout that will give you that powerful hero look. No excuses. Let's get to it. Part 1. Warm-up. First, a quick warm-up to get your shoulders ready. Start with arm circles. Rotate your arms forward for 15 seconds, then backward for 15 seconds. This increases blood flow and prevents injury. Part 2, Exercise 1, Lateral Raises. Stand tall, hold a light weight in each hand, and raise your arms out to the sides until they're at the shoulder height. Lower slowly. Do as many reps as you can in 1 minute. Pro tip, keep a slight bend in your elbows and don't rush the movement. It's all about control. Part 3, Exercise 2, Front Raises. Hold the same weights, but this time, lift your arms straight in front of you until they're parallel to the ground. Slowly lower them back down. This move targets the front of your shoulders, giving you that 3D anime look. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Part 4, Exercise 3. Now it's time for the Arnold press. Start with weights at shoulder height, palms facing you. As you press upward, rotate your wrists so your palms face forward at the top. Lower them back down with control. This exercise is great for hitting all parts of your shoulders. Aim for as many reps as possible in 1 minute. Part 5. Exercise 4. Pike push-ups. Finish strong with pike push-ups. Start in a downward dog position. Lower your head toward the ground and push back up. This bodyweight move is perfect for building shoulder strength at home. If this is too challenging, try it with your hands on an elevated surface like a bench or couch. Part 6. Cool down. Finally, cool down with some shoulder stretches. Hold your arm across your chest for 15 seconds on each side. This helps reduce soreness and improves flexibility. And that's it. A simple, effective shoulder workout to get you one step closer to that anime physique. Remember, consistency is the key to real results. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow anime fans. See you in the next video. Train hard and stay legendary.